A failing grade must be viewed objectively, as the delivery of the material may be mismatched and not making a connection with your learner.
As program managers and also as instructors, we are responsible for building confidence, for helping that person, that individual, command the information and feel confident with the information that they're able to execute on the policy and standards when they actually arrive to the work environment. That when they are actually being monitored, let's just say that week or 2 weeks after they've graduated, that they can deliver information in a real world environment and that they understand the information so well that it's fluent. Okay, so instructing is just like any other thing, like teaching someone a language, teaching somebody how to swim. These are all components of survival skills. When an instructor sees a student failing, then there's something probably wrong with how the instructor is delivering the information. So, how do we correct this? We look at the areas that the student or the learner is having issues with, and we regroup with them, give them time, let them take a breath, and then soon thereafter, um, kind of re review the specific standards or test subject material or testable subject material, so then that we know for sure that that person understands the standard and can make a connection with it. um, we and it's this happens. People get A's all the time on exams, and then they do really bad in the work environment because they're really good test takers and they're really good at remembering things, but they cannot necessarily make a connection with that material with what's happening in the real world. We have to be aware of that. So if you have somebody that's failing tests but can make a connection, then obviously there's something you can work with. If you have somebody that's passing tests but can't make a connection, that's somebody as well that you need to be aware of and make certain that we're not missing on that person not being able to actually command the information and be fluent with that standard or that policy. Thank you for listening.
Instructors must deliver the same attention to learners of exceptional performance, because the learner may understand the material and then not be able to make realistic connections when arriving to the work site.